are looking at the front A-bar of a 2023 Honda Pilot. Over here we have the driver's side front bumper. You will notice 2 factory bolts. We're only using 1 over here. And then over here you will just mount the regular brackets. On this side we have the same thing, very symmetrical. We have 2 factory bolts here, and we're only using the one that's towards the inner side for the mounting of the bracket kit. Again, this is the passenger side. And these are just glue stains, so we'll just wipe that off.